여러분 안녕하세요. 저는 아나체리입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay, today I'm going to talk about syllable blocks. What is syllable blocks? What is that? Okay, those are blocks na ginagamit ng mga Korean para makabuo ng syllable o pantig. Okay? 그럼 시작할까요? 저랑 같이 공부해요. Okay, we have here the first syllable blocks, which is C and V. Only C and V. C for consonant and V for vowel. Okay. Okay, yan lang. Consonant and vowel side by side, left and right. Okay, we have for example mama. M at saka A. Okay, so lagay natin yung box. Block, I mean. Okay. And then, dalawa. Yung una is for consonant. Wait. Okay. So here, the left side is consonant, which is M. Put M. And then, second vowel, vowel. Okay. And then the second one, M for consonant. Okay, left side. And then A for vowel. Yes, that's it. Mama. Okay. Ito yung resulta. Ma. And then ma. Okay. Ma'am, tanong, bakit sa right side nilagay yung vowel na A at hindi sa baba? Explanation is, kapag mga ganitong vowels, okay, dapat sa right side nilalagay yon at hindi sa baba. Kapag naman ganitong mga vowels, sa baba nilalagay, okay? But this vowel is A. So, right side natin lagay. At hindi sa baba. Right side, hindi sa baba. Okay? So this one is wrong. Okay? So the correct one is like this. M at A. Okay? Mama. 알겠어? Okay. Try natin ibang example. Papa. Okay, try it. Papa. Okay. Consonant of P, Papa, P-A. Okay, same block, of course. That is consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel. So the result would be like this: P-A, P-A equals Papa. Okay? That is all. I hope you understand and thank you.